how to cash out or withdraw your roundups on Cash App. So here's how it works. First, you want to locate where your roundups or spare change was sent to. You have three options. The first one is going to be it being sent to your savings account. Another option is going to be it being sent to your Bitcoin account or your stocks. So those are the three options. So what you want to do is to find where the money is sent to. So for example, if it's sent to Bitcoin, you want to sell that Bitcoin which you have received the amount for, and then you will get it in your cash balance. If it's sent to savings, then you want to go and transfer it over from your savings account into your cash balance, and again that way you can cash out. And if it's set in stocks, it is going to be the same as it is for Bitcoin. You will again sell the stock depending on how much spare change you received, and then you can transfer it over to your cash balance and withdraw the money as you would normally here. If you have a valid balance, you can then go and withdraw your cash. So I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'm gonna see you next time.